Sometimes I have college students slide into my DMs, and this one's from Brooke. She had some questions and I thought I would share with all of you. Do you have any tips on how to begin working with big businesses such as Target, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's? My direct answer with that is you have to interview directly with big box to work with them. It's really, really difficult to start a company and then work with them. It's a whole process and you have to know the buyers for that. Number two, do you recommend working in-house before working freelance? In-house will give you more experience, but this really is just what you choose to do. I've done a little bit of both. I actually worked freelance first and then went in-house. And even then I wasn't technically in-house since they were using my company, that I was the creative director for that company. So the answer is, I think this one is one where you just get to choose what's going to work best for you. The nice thing about in-house is you will just get a lot of great experience from doing it. But then I find that people get a little nervous about sales, which you really have to get good at if you're not going to work in-house for the rest of your career. Number three, what advice do you have for someone just starting out? Go listen to podcasts and find out more about the industry you're entering. It takes money to make money. No one likes to hear that, but that is certainly true in this industry, just like any other. Number four, are there any companies you would suggest I look into for internships? I said no, just do your best. Internships are hard to get, but they're worth it. Free internship is better than no internship. That means like you're doing it for free. It's a gift from the company because new designers cost a company a lot because of their sheer inexperience. And just so you guys know, we don't take interns at our company anymore. We have found that it costs more money to train an intern than it is just to hire someone with some experience. So we hire experience. Number five, what do companies look for most in a portfolio? Every company is different. Just make sure it is your best work and most authentic to you, because then you'll get matched with the right company. So hopefully that was helpful to more than just Brooke. Thank you, Brooke, for asking those questions.